In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Nova Trade Plus. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to get your Phantom Wallet as an extension. So I would recommend going to Chrome Web Store or whatever browser you're using, and you want to search for Phantom Wallet. You want to click on it and you want to add it to Chrome up here. Now, I have it inside Chrome already. As you can see, this is my wallet up here. So whenever you do this, you're going to have this as an extension. You'll have to set your wallet up, and whenever you are ready, you can then go ahead and go to Nova. Now, you want to go to the official website of Nova Plus, okay? There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cash back on all trading fees when trading meme coins. So it's absolutely worth it. Make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You'll not regret it. Now, once you're on here, click on the Connect Wallet button, and then Phantom should pop up automatically, okay? So if it doesn't, it's going to basically pop up a list like this, and then just click on Phantom over here, and then click Connect again, and Phantom will open up. Then you want to click on the Confirm button. You want to click on the confirm button again to actually sign this message, and whenever you do this, it may ask you for a referral code. So if it does, just type in my referral code. It's IHT, so IHT just like this, as you can see up top here. You can put that in there, and then you'll get the 20% cash back, and then you can just go ahead and basically see the new features over here, or just close it and start using this right away. Okay, so that's how to connect Phantom Wallet to Nova Trade Plus. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.